Finding the equation scope number 2, passing 3 points. So you can see my question, finding the equation of the circle, giving you have 3 points. In random, this is a circle, this is your center, they're passing this. So A will be 2, 3. Okay, so B maybe at 4, -1. So maybe C at here, 2, -1. Your main thing is you have to find what is your center and what is your radius. Okay, so we can use back the radius concept that I teach you just now in order to help us form out the equations. We can build this is radius 1, this is the concept of radius 2, this is the concept of radius 3, where what we need here, we need to build up two simultaneous equations, means I can build R1 equals to R2. At the same time, I can build R2 equals to R3. Of course, you want to put R3 equals to R1 also can, but when I'm doing two simultaneous equations, so I just need two information, so I no need another one. So you can choose whether R1 equals to R2, R2 equals to R3, or R1 equals to R3. It will be involved of your distance between 2 points. So it will be, this is my R1, it will be h minus 2 square plus k minus 3 square equals to, so if this R2, the distance between that 2 points, h minus 4 square plus k minus positive square. Alright, so meanwhile, for another equation, it will be h minus 4 square plus k plus 1 square. For R3, the center minus the point square plus. Alright, so how to simplify it? Both sides have square root, so we can simplify this square root, then we expand. And then we rearrange our equations. So when we start to rearrange our equation, you will notice that h square minus h square cancel off, simplify. K square minus k square will be simplified. So leaving negative 4h plus 8h. So 4h. So for k, what's your k? Negative 6k minus 2k. So negative 8k. Then I let my constant at the right hand side, so it will be 4 only. Still can simplify by divide by 4. So this is my simplest equation, the first equation. So build up two simultaneous equations in order for us to find the center first. Once your center come out, then everything radius will be easier. Okay, so we repeat the process for R2 equals to R3, where this square root can be simplified, then we expand. Actually, you can see here, h minus 4 and this h minus 2, of course, there are difference, right? Okay, so we have to expand, but we can see this k plus 1 square, k by 1 square, they are same. So when I move that means it already can cancel off and simplify. So just leaving h minus 4 square equals to h minus 2 square. So expand this. Then, okay, so h square and h square can be simplified. Then move the h into the left hand side, become positive negative 4h. Okay, so this one minus 16. Minus 16 equals to negative. Straight away get h already. Then once you get your h, means you can subtract into 1 here. Then h and k will become up as our center. So once we get our center, we have three choices. Either we can use R1 or R2 or the R3 to find our R1. So square root h is 3 minus 2 square. K is 1 minus 3 square. Square root of 5. Finally, we can build out the equation. Therefore, the equation will be x minus 3 square plus y minus 1 square, and radius square here is 5. So the equation of the circle.